In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a window squeegee / cleaner. So number one, the squeegee part is a silicone top material, really good for moving water stains. It's got a microfiber head on it, and it's got double hole design. So I guess that means it can be, you know, extended. It's got the aluminum alloy, it's got a grip in the middle, and it's got the hangable top design. Oh, it has a little hole in the end for that if you want to hang it up. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box and show y'all exactly what this thing looks like. So this is the handle right here. Oh, and it's got like a little locking top mechanisms right there. There you go. You see how these kind of lock into place there? And it looks like just a series of those things. Yeah, that's pretty simple. So this piece right here must be the end piece that locks in there like that. Yep, that just kind of clicked together like that. And then this piece goes like this. Pretty simple. These bars all look like they're the same. And all you do is mash down on them, lock them together like that. Wow, look at how long this thing is. That's probably what, 8 feet? What does it say it is on the package? It doesn't say what it is on the package. There is a little set of instructions right here on the package. It kind of tells you all about it. But you can take some of these metal pieces out and make it smaller, and it looks like they give you a extra microfiber cloth. So let me go ahead and wash my front window because that's what I got it for. So let me go ahead and do that now. All right, everybody, here's why I got it right here. See how high that window is up there? I want to be able to wash all the way up on that window and get all this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray it down with the water hose and get it nice and wet, and then I'm going to clean it and see how it works. You can see how dirty it is there. So let me try that now. I don't think you need any chemical with this thing, but this thing works awesome. I'm really impressed with this thing. I got a little neighbor's dog barking there. This is probably the first time I've ever cleaned this window, actually, and I'm doing it one-handed, so I'm filming and cleaning because the grip is right here in the middle, so I'm able to do it. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to kind of like wash it up real quick, and then turn it over. But there it is. I think that thing works really good. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the portable squeegee. Let me finish out this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo!